this is normally my routine, but this is my normal routine, basically. Leaving the house and starting my runs right away, whether it's a road run or a trail run, or a mixture of the two in most cases. But today, well, I'm going to a different location, so I just decided to document the whole journey. So let's get started. I first... out of the bus, I think some 600-700 meters away from the trailhead. So I'm just gonna try and find it. I think I can see right over there, the place that I'm going to be running actually. So okay, I believe I just made it to the trailhead, just a little further up. Oh. Yeah, so there are 1 through 10 different courses at different lengths and difficulties. Like I said, currently course 3, which is about 7.1 kilometers, is the kind of beginner-friendly one. I'm gonna just go down there and try to find the course. It's such a privilege to have such a place in the middle of a very densely populated country. It's beautiful. Not this. Okay, I came to a crossroads and, well, there's no course information, but I don't think this path is going anywhere. So I'm just gonna follow this one. Here, this way. I kind of knew I was gonna regret choosing this course. As a road runner, I'm still trying to get used to the idea of hiking while running. I have a pretty good feeling. I've been here before. I think one of the biggest difficulties I'm currently experiencing, it's not just the physical side of the things, it's also the mental side. It's been a habit of mine to never, ever walk. I would slow down, but I would never walk during my road runs. But here, well, it's part of the game, right? So certain steep sections, which is a relative term, but you just got to hike. And another difficulty is getting back to running after you actually stop running. So hike, run. I think it's a much bigger mental and physical challenge. But I think slowly I'm getting used to it. At first, I kind of felt bad at the sections that I was actually walking or hiking. But now I'm slowly figuring out that it's kind of cyclical thing. You just run, walk. Just keep running, hopefully. I'm currently at, well, a little over 12K. Took me about 1 hour 43 minutes. I don't know if it's this constant up and down, climbing and descending. I can't even decide whether I'm physically or mentally exhausted, or a combination of the two. Currently it's a little over 16K. It's been over 2 hours, 12 minutes or so. And okay. Just finished my first trial run. I think it went okay. I ran a little over 18 kilometers with about 800 meters of elevation gain. I know it probably sounds like nothing. It was quite something for me. I'm not feeling super tired yet. Now, I'm just gonna go try to get some liquids in. I'm kind of tired to take public transportation, so I just called a taxi. So I get on a taxi. 안녕하세요.